66 million years ago, Earth faced a catastrophic event that wiped out the mighty dinosaurs, leaving behind a slow and agonizing end. This extinction event caused the largest tsunami ever seen, reshaping the planet's continents and ushering in a nuclear winter. As we navigate the environmental crises of our time, it becomes crucial to understand the consequences of such catastrophic events. However, there is hope. By exploring the remarkable recovery of Earth and the efforts of organizations like Planet Wild, we can strive to protect our planet and prevent our own extinction. The terrifying asteroid impact. 66 million years ago, a colossal asteroid, comparable in size to Mount Everest, hurtled toward Earth at an astonishing speed of 10 to 30 kilometers per second. As the asteroid pierced through Earth's atmosphere, it created a blazing fireball with temperatures rivaling the surface of the sun. In a matter of seconds, the impact occurred off the coast of present-day Mexico, unleashing a devastating blast wave and ejecting debris into the atmosphere. Devastating consequences. The aftermath of the asteroid impact was catastrophic. Scorching fragments of glass and rock rained down, causing acid rain that lasted for years. Fires engulfed the land, spreading like wildfire and decimating life across the continents. The immense energy released by the impact triggered shock waves and gave rise to a mega tsunami, a colossal wall of water over 10 meters high, which reshaped the Earth's coastlines and caused widespread destruction. The fate of the dinosaurs. While some dinosaurs closer to the impact site perished instantly, those farther away endured a harsh fate. As the dust settled, Earth plunged into a nuclear winter. Debris in the atmosphere blocked sunlight for months, leading to plummeting temperatures and disrupting the food chain. Plants, unable to perform photosynthesis, began to die, starving many surviving animals. Acid rain further devastated ecosystems, and the oceans turned too acidic for marine life. Earth's rebirth. Gradually, over 1,000 years, Earth began to recover from the post-apocalyptic winter. Amidst the cold and scarcity, ferns were among the first plants to reemerge. Over the course of 100,000 years, small mammals the size of raccoons repopulated the continents, while the oceans regained their vibrant biodiversity. After approximately 10 million years, Earth had reinvented itself, ushering in the age of mammals, birds, and flowering plants.